Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to expand and simplify this quadratic expression. Okay, negative 2m squared minusing this bracket is the same as if I'm going to minus a positive 5, it's the same as minusing the 5. And if I'm going to minus a negative 2m squared, it's the same as adding the 2m squared. So this is the first thing that you need to see, okay? The sign of the terms in the bracket changes. Next, then we are going to simplify this expression. Negative 2m squared plus 2m squared. This will give me 0, okay? So I write it at the side here, take note. Negative 2m squared plus 2m squared. This one is equals to 0. And therefore, we don't have to write this anymore. And next will be negative 5. And then I'm left with negative 5. And that will be the answer for this question. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.